Hi and welcome to this FlipBooklets tutorial. My name's Ben and today I'll take you through how to create your first flipbook. Once you've logged into the system, if you go to your books and you'll have this view here, just click Create New Book. Enter a title for your book, so I'll just put My New Book, and it'll automatically populate the URL field. Now with that will form part of the link that you share on to people, so you can change that to be anything you want. It doesn't have to match the title. To upload your PDF, you can click Choose File and then navigate your computer, or you can just drag and drop a PDF onto that button. You can see it'll update the name here. Now those are the only two steps that you need to actually create these books. So if I go down and click Create, it'll upload and then generate your flipbook. There we go, and you'll be able to flick through. Now on this view as well, you'll notice that there's a Return to List button at the top left. With that button, that is only visible to you because you are logged into the system. So when you share this with your clients or anyone else, that won't be there at all. And you can check this by opening an incognito or a private view window, and then they won't be there. So if I click that, it'll just take you back to your books list here. You've got a few options on here, so you've got the link. So if you click this button, this will copy the URL to clipboard and you'll be able to paste that into an email or your website or anywhere else to access that book. We've got the PDF button here, which will download the PDF that was used to generate this book. We've got the embed code. There's two options here. So on the left, we've got a windowed embed, and that will appear wherever it is pasted onto the website, and it will be then restricted by the column width of your actual website. And the other one is a full screen embed. So the page that you paste this on, it will actually overtake the entire page and go full screen, so that it will take over the entire screen, including any nav bar, any footer. It will automatically then show the book alone. And then we've just got a quick link here to view the analytics. Under the actions, you can click here to view, you can edit, and then you can also delete. So that's it. It's really super simple to create flipbooks. It only takes a few seconds and they're done. So in the next video, what I'll do is I'll go through some of the features that you'll see on the book screen when you're creating it and just explain what they do. And I'll catch you in the next one.